Prime Achiever. Professional pill crusher. Only a few steps to grind the pills reliably and easily. Press the open button to open the cover. Take the cup holder out from the unit. Place a transparent prime crushing cup in the cup holder. Put the pills in a crushing cup. Place another crushing cup on top of it. Place it all back to the prime crusher and close the cover. Turn the power button. Both the power and grinding buttons are on. Press the grinding button to start pills crushing. Green light keeps flashing during the process. It completes in about 22 seconds. Open the cover and take out the cups together with the cup holder. Take the cups from the holder and check for visual contamination.